I'll do the intro. Okay, ready? What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Andrea, and I'm here with the family experience. You're here with the TFX, the family experience. Okay, what's going on, everybody? It's your okay.
You got
What's going on?
Okay, sorry.
Do it again, mommy.
That's right.
Okay.
I love you so much. 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 I love you so much.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Andrea, and you're here with the TFX, the family experience. And today we're going to paint a pumpkin. Yeah, we're going to paint a pumpkin. But first, are you listening? What you have to do is subscribe. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Do it for the kids. Forget the gram. Do it for the kids. Say do it for the kids.
Do it for the kids. Do it for the kids.
Do it for the kids. Do it for the kids. Do it for the kids. Subscribe. So make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out on the fun, and hit the notifications. Hit that bell so you know exactly the minute, the second.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yep, you make sure that you hit the notification button so you know every time we drop a video.
Every time.
Today we are going to paint this big old pumpkin. Do you want to paint your own pumpkin while I get started on the big pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. We have lots of paint colors here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the kids what color they want for their pumpkins, and they're gonna use their sponge brushes to get started. I'm going to paint the big pumpkin. Y'all ready? What color do you guys want?
I want blue.
You just said red and then you...
That's
Hold on, let mommy do it.
Orange.
That's not red, son.
what I'm gonna do is I'm going to
I can try
put a little bit onto your plate.
Or what do they call it when painting? It's a palette. Well, it's not a palette.
Palette, yeah.
It's a palette that they put it on?
No. I don't know.
If y'all know what that thing is called that he used, that he puts on the paint on, let me know. Please down in the comment section below right now.
Okay, so this is how you paint. You dab a little, say dab.
Dab.
Do a dab. Okay. And then
Nobody
you
dabbed.
lightly
What
just
happened?
they didn't. They're nervous.
Yeah, they painted. They
And then you
anxious.
just start painting on there.
And Andrew's just making his orange pumpkin a little more orange.
Orange, right? Just
Every
a
video
little
he
more.
chooses orange.
I'm feeling this teal.
You feeling teal?
Mhm. I
Alright.
think it's gonna be uber cute.
Yeah, Rhyielle is using the teal as well.
Mommy, I'm doing this.
You sure
Yeah.
are. You're covering a lot of your pumpkin.
Yeah, cover
That's why you have
all the pumpkin.
a big sponge brush.
Yep. Do I need to?
Yep. Why do you have on surgical gloves, dear?
I have on gloves because I don't want to get paint on my hands. I don't want to get cancer.
Oh my gosh. Will not do anything like
Here,
that.
Andrea.
These are non-toxic
You're welcome.
colors.
Are they?
Yes!
According to who?
Oh Lord.
So let's go see what mommy's doing. Yeah, let's go check on Rhyielle now,
Her
guys.
base.
How are you so good at painting?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Are you happy that you finally get to paint now?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Andrew, you okay over there? Yeah?
Are y'all excited about Halloween?
Yeah? We're gonna do something for Halloween. We're not gonna go really trick or treating, but we're gonna go downtown Cedar Hill and have some fun at the Spook Fest.
Yeah, you can. No, it's gonna be trick or treating at
Okay.
the.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
just saying we're not going door to door. I'm telling them that we're not going door to door. It's spooky?
Yes.
What is spooky?
The other one?
What does spooky look like?
Ta-da! It's spooky.
Show me a spooky face. That's a
They know what spooky is because they watch Disney Channel all weekend. And they were talking about spooky.
yeah, I know. Andrew's spooky face look like an old man.
Yeah, that's
Done.
his regular face. Okay, good. Okay, so now what you can do, kind of fan it a little bit so it dries a little bit. Not with the brush, because you do not want. Here's a public service announcement. Once your paint dries on these sponge brushes, then they're not usable anymore.
Okay, what you doing?
Oh, you're doing good. Yeah, you definitely
doing,
have
my
an
man?
orange. I'm going for a certain effect here.
Some highlights.
Yeah, highlights.
She popped herself in the face?
Mommy.
Oh, this is kind of cool. It's kind of ombre. Oh my gosh.
Hombre, I thought that was a Spanish person, like your friend.
No, it's not. Ombre is like a hair effect when you have like the light that goes into dark.
I thought that was highlights.
No, highlights is when it's just a streak.
Daddy, I'm making it.
Yeah, you look like you're cutting it with the brush, son.
Can't hold
Oh my
this
gosh.
that long.
I'm loving this.
You're strong. Oh wow, nice. Look at mommy's pumpkin, guys.
Look at my pumpkin.
Let's pour you some different colors right here so you can do it too.
Oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see that right there? That's because I built the colors on the brush. So it's gonna come out of there.
All right. Ooh, look how far we've come, guys. Oh
see
my
mine?
gosh.
Are you
Yeah.
looking at it? Good. I'm so excited.
The artiste.
So excited.
Faster.
Yeah, you are going faster.
Okay, what is the matter? You want Daddy to pick you up? Come on. What's so
I'm gonna
pretty?
have to
Your
rinse
pumpkin?
my brush.
Oh, you just
Yeah.
smeared.
Yeah, I'm going to have to rinse my
Okay,
brush
that
now
one's-
because it's
this
getting a
one's clean
little
water.
muddled.
It's going on now.
Dear, what were you? What in the heck were you thinking, man? Why did you
Cute
dip
though.
it?
It's
It
cute
is.
though.
It look
I
good.
didn't dip it.
The
Look.
cats are not cute, but whatever.
Oh god.
Did you squeeze it with your hand?
Yeah.
See, that's why I was wearing gloves right there. See,
And I was
point
like,
and reason right there.
but those colors.
They look
at
good.
that. Look at those colors.
Just put your handprint on the pumpkin.
Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, but it won't like stick.
It will.
But if I do it with that's a great idea.
See, look at that.
Daddy,
A colorful jack-o'-lantern. Yeah, buddy, I see you.
look at me and Rhyielle.
Yeah, Rhyielle doing it with her fingers now.
Me too.
Oh God.
Oh Lord.
This is-
But I love how creative you guys are being.
Yes.
Get this orange in there. This orange is
Yeah.
like thorn in my side.
Why? You don't like it?
It's like I can't get it right, and that's why I ended up with
Mommy,
a quarter of the
look.
pumpkin being orange.
Mommy, look.
Oh wow.
Daddy, look.
But that's
Yeah.
okay. That's why you have it's art.
Yeah,
Wow. Now look at this. Now,
Perfect
look at
is
me,
in the eye of the
Rhyielle.
beholder.
Yeah, you can't mess up art.
Somebody else that could be perfect. Y'all are really going ham over here.
Yeah.
It's like pretty.
Just like pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Andrew, how, son, did you get paint on your lips? Did you kiss your pumpkin? Andrew, look at me, Andrew. What is going on, son? And then he act like he just doing something. I don't know what. What are you doing, Andrew? Grandmammy told me to tell y'all, hey, and she love you. And kisses. You too, Andrew.
Aw, love you too.
She can't even hear you.
Video she can.
Now look at my hand, Daddy. Daddy. How spooky. Daddy, look.
Mm-hmm. Y'all painting y'all's hands better than y'all paint the pumpkin. Oh, y'all look like y'all are finished with y'all's pumpkins, huh?
Yeah, I think we're done.
Right, yeah, hold up your pumpkin. Let me see your pumpkin. Show it to me. Tell me, describe what the colors are on this pumpkin. And what were you going for with this pumpkin right here?
Yellow. Purple.
Uh-huh.
Pink.
And what's the
white,
name of your pumpkin? What we
and
gonna call this piece of art?
I'm gonna call it. This is Halloween. I'm gonna call it Rainbow.
Rainbow. Andrew, hold up your pumpkin for me, son. Let's see. Let the people see your pumpkin. Ooh, nice.
It's like spooky.
It's spooky. What's the name of your pumpkin?
spooky.
We're gonna call it spooky already. Last but not least, we got Mommy's. Mommy, can you hold up your pumpkin and spin it and spin it and spin it around?
Yeah.
Ooh, guys, look at that.
Oh my gosh, I'm really loving it.
Oh,
I need to paint again. You see?
Me
You see that?
too.
You see the characters in there?
I need to play that again.
I'm loving this.
Again.
The backside is dried up now. That's good.
Yeah, I'm
Too bad
loving
we're gonna have
it.
to cut it and make it a jack-o'-lantern and put some foam in it.
It's gonna be awesome with the foam coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make it like a vibrant color foam.
Okay.
It's gonna be so cool. Did y'all have fun painting your pumpkins today?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, if you're painting pumpkins at home, let us know what they look like. Put them in the comments. Let us know what you're doing, what you like to do. Do you usually paint pumpkins? This is our first time doing it. Y'all had a good time. I had a good time. It was pretty therapeutic for me. I'm very
relaxation.
calm. Yeah, very relaxed. Definitely gonna
In
do
your
it
artistic
again.
state of mind.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. If you like this video and in order to see more videos, you definitely have to subscribe. You guys say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh, look at the people on subscribe. So you have to subscribe and then make sure you hit the notification button and give us a thumbs up for like. Show them thumbs up. They're so into the painting the pumpkins that is their thumbs up. Okay, so definitely give us a thumbs up. We will see you next time. Toodles.
Toodles.
I love you so much. 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 I love you so much.